On this video, I'm going to give you all an extremely valuable piece of information on how to avoid an inheritance lawyer's fee with what's called estate planning. Why is estate planning so crucial? It's extremely important to know about this because when you have to receive things through estate planning, you pay many times less the amount of fees as opposed to going through a probate process through the Argentine court system, which usually ends up costing the heirs and beneficiaries many times more in attorney fees. Now, let me tell you that this approach works not only in Argentina, but pretty much everywhere in the world. So if you will be inheriting real property in any country on the planet, this approach works worldwide. Now, this video was intended for people who have some type of wealth, let that be $100,000, $1 million, or $10 million. The amount really doesn't matter. It's completely indifferent as long as you have something of value that you want to pass on to someone you care for. It's that simple. This video is also intended for universal and forced heirs, which are those who cannot be disinherited, such as next of kin, children, a spouse, or ascendants, also known as parents of the decedent. These people cannot be disinherited even with a testament, except for what's called the disposable portion, which applies in Argentina, where the testator can do whatever they please and leave it to whoever they want. The disposable portion in Argentina is 25% of the total estate. So back to how does a testator, the beneficiaries, and the heirs avoid the attorney fees on an inheritance? You hire an inheritance lawyer to prepare an estate planning case on all the testator's wealth, which will cost a fraction of a probate process and will take a fraction of the time to reach a judgment on an inheritance. The approach will be to create an assignment of inheritance rights in life in the form of a donation in favor of the heirs' beneficiaries that the testator wants to receive all their property and assets. Once this estate planning process is completed, a usufructus is created in favor of the testator for which they continue to enjoy the property while they are alive, even if the beneficiaries and heirs decided to dispose the testator. They will not be able to do anything until this person passes away. If you want to learn more, contact us at lemaris.com, send us a written message, and on our website, you will also be able to find our WhatsApp numbers in the USA and in our